This real estate advantage property video is presented by Holly Hackett. This beautiful lakefront cottage offers an open floor plan with magnificent views of the lake. The kitchen offers granite counters, stainless steel appliances and an island with seating. The spacious living room has large windows, vaulted ceilings and a gas fireplace for the colder weather. The main bathroom offers custom tile work and a jetted tub. This cottage is very low maintenance as it offers vinyl siding, vinyl windows and a shingled roof. Spend your days on the stamped concrete patio with an option of sitting under the electric awning. The dock contains a boat lift and 2 jet ski lifts. Across the way is a 36x24 garage that contains room to park vehicles, storage or use it as a work area. The upper level is tastefully finished with electric and lots of space for gathering. This property contains a total of 4 lots. This cottage is absolutely gorgeous and is offered fully furnished. Do not miss your opportunity to own this lakefront gem. For more information